Want a quick and efficient way to export ChatGPT conversations? Let me show you how in 3 easy steps. First, we set up the integration between ChatGPT and Google Docs. Using Zapier, we automate the entire export process effortlessly. Once integrated, every ChatGPT conversation is automatically exported to Google Docs, where you can easily organize and edit your content. Step 3. PDF conversion. Finally, the conversation is converted to PDF format for download, sharing, or archiving. This process is seamless and efficient. No manual work needed, it's all automated. The software takes care of everything, ensuring that your document is perfectly formatted and ready to use. Whether you need it for professional purposes, personal use, or simply to keep a record, the PDF conversion feature makes it incredibly easy and convenient. Who can benefit from this innovative service? This service is perfect for a wide range of users, including busy professionals who need to streamline their workflow, dedicated students looking to enhance their study sessions, creative content creators aiming to optimize their production process, and collaborative teams that require an efficient way to manage and organize their ChatGPT data. Whether you're working on a complex project, studying for exams, creating engaging content, or collaborating with colleagues, this service offers the tools you need to stay organized and productive. Special features. Our platform offers a variety of unique tools and options. You can even customize the format to suit your specific needs and preferences. Use special commands to streamline your tasks and create a more tailored workflow. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these features are designed to enhance your productivity. For a deeper dive into all the possibilities, check out my Fiverr page for more details and personalized assistance. Call to action. Ready to save time? Visit the link in the description and let's get your ChatGPT